Hi everybody, it's Miss Jenichen. In today's video, we are going to be practicing some diagraphs. Digraph. If anyone doesn't know what a digraph is, it's when two letters come together to make one sound. A digraph are two letters that make one sound. And there's actually an example of a digraph in the word digraph. You see this PH here? When PH comes together, it says f, like phone, phonics, digraph, or elephant. All of those words have PH. F. Now, there are 5 digraphs. TH, those two letters, when they come together, say th or th, like this with your mouth, th, or th. And then CH, when it comes together, it usually says ch, kind of like the sound a train makes, ch, 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 right? And then we have SH, and when SH comes together, it says shh, like you're trying to tell someone to be quiet, you're hushing them. SH says shh. And then we have WH, which says what? Kind of like in who, what, when, where, why, and also in words like whale or which. And then finally PH, which we already said was in digraph, phone, phonics, and elephant. Now, the 3 digraphs that are the most common that we see in a lot of words are these 3. So we're going to focus on these today and writing words that have these digraphs in them. Okay? So the first one, as a reminder, is TH. And what sound does TH make? If you said th or th, you're right. TH says th or th. What about CH? What does CH say? If you said ch, you're right. Awesome job. CH says ch. And then the last digraph is SH that we're going to practice, SH. And what sound does SH make? That's right, shh. SH says shh. Okay, the first digraph that we're going to practice is shh. Can you do that with me? Shh. What 2 letters make the sound shh? Do you remember from before? That's right. S-H, shh. So we're going to practice some 3-sound words that start with shh. I wonder if you can think of any words that start with the sound shh. The first thing I thought of is maybe an animal that lives on a farm that goes like this. Bah. What am I thinking of? A sheep. Sheep. So how would we write the word sheep? Sh, E. We know from our word see, S-E-E, that E-E together says E. Sh, E, P. What letter is that? P, that's right. Sh, E, P. Sheep. The beginning sound is the digraph sh. Awesome, let's try another one. How about something that your parents might be doing when getting groceries or cleaning supplies, things like that. They probably went to go shop. What's the word? Shop. That's right. Shop. What's the middle sound? O. Shop. And the ending is P. Shop. Shop with the beginning digraph sh. All right, let's try another one. But this time the digraph SH is at the end of the word, like this. The one that I'm thinking of is when you want something so badly and you might make a wish. Can you say wish? Do you hear that it ends in the digraph sh. Yeah? Let's try to write the word wish together. W. W, good. W, I. What's the vowel sound in the middle? I, you're right. Wish. W, I, sh. And this sound at the end is digraph SH, sh. We're gonna do one more with SH being at the end of the word. I'm thinking of an animal that lives in the water and it swims. It is a fish. Ish. Fish. So if you were to write the word fish, you would have the SH at the end of the word, like in wish. Okay, the next digraph that we're gonna practice is What two letters put together says or you make the sound with your tongue sticking out, kind of like this. What two letters says that? That's right. TH says or th. Can you think of any other words that have this digraph in it? I'll give you a couple seconds to think of any. I thought of a lot too. The first one we're going to practice is a word that we might say, I want that. Can you say that? That. I just said the word that in my sentence. Can you say that? That. At. We know that from our word families from before. At. What are those two sounds? At. That. Awesome. So if this is the word that, how would we change it to be this? That. Change to this. Is. What's the middle sound? I. This. S. And that's how you spell the word this. Is. Now, how about if the TH, the sound, is at the end of a word? Can you think of any words that have at the end? The first one that I thought of is these little guys in our mouth. What are they called? Teeth. That's right. T-E. T-E-th. Like that. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. These two little E's go in the same sound box because when they go together, they just say E. Kind of like in the sight word. See. Right? All right, let's think of another one. What's another word that ends with, I think I might have just said it in that last sentence. Can you say with? Like, I really wish that we could be with each other today. With. It kind of sounds like wish, but instead of SH at the end, we have TH. If. With. But before, when we had sh at the end, we had wish. Awesome, huh? All right, we're gonna do one last one with the ending th. One of my best friend's favorite books is called Little Women, and one of the characters' names is Beth. Can you say that? Beth. It's a girl's name, Beth. And whenever we have a name, it's an uppercase letter, so that's what I'm gonna put at the beginning. B. What's gonna be that letter at the beginning? B. Awesome. B. F. What sound is that in the middle? B. F. Beth. All All right, let's move on to our last digraph for the day. All right, the last digraph that we're gonna practice is ch, like chop. Can you do that with me? Ch, chop. What are the two letters that says ch? CH, that's right. Let's try to write that first word, chop. Ch, op. What would be the middle sound? Ch, op. Good. Ch, op. Chop. Amazing. What if we wanted to change this word chop to a yummy snack that you eat out of a bag? They're made of potatoes. Can you say chip? Chip. Or maybe like the teacup character from Beauty and the Beast. Chip. Right now we have chop, but if we change the middle sound, we can make ch-ip. What would be that middle sound now? I, that's right. Ch-ip. Chip. All right, what if you're so thirsty on a summer day and you've been running around and you need a drink of water really badly? You might open up that water bottle and you might chug the water because you're so thirsty. Can you say chug? Ch-ug. So it starts with the digraph, ch. And then we have the middle sound, What vowel is that? Ch, g. G, g. What's that last sound? G. Ch, ug. Chug. All right. The last one. This is this bone on your head. Not your cheeks, but your, what's this called? In the story of the Three Little Pigs, when the wolf asks to answer, the little pigs say, "Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin," right? So how could we make the word chin using the digraph ch? Ch, in. The middle sound is I, ch, I, n. Chin. All right, are you ready for our speed practice? This is gonna be all you, okay? I have the 3 different digraphs and I'm gonna point to them and you are gonna say the sound that it makes, okay? Are you ready to try? Here we go. What sound does this one make? Good. Ch. Shh. Shh. Ch. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit faster now. Ready? Fabulous. For the last part, I'm gonna say a word and you are going to point to which digraph the word is. Are you ready? Okay. Shark. Good. Chips. With. Share. Share with your friends. Shh. Share. How about chair? Chair. Thick. The pudding was very thick. Smash. Smash. Flush. Flush. Chat. Chat. The. Awesome. I am so happy that we got to practice these 3 digraphs together. Have a great day. Happy learning.